Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a awesome video about Jaguar Dio, guys. Yesterday I posted a video about Jaguar Dio airdrop, guys. 10 lakh worth dollar. 10 lakh worth dollar, 10 lakh worth Jaguar coins, guys. Don't miss it. The airdrop is very simple. Yesterday I posted 10 lakh dollar airdrop, guys. 5 lakh dollar worth of giveaway and 5 lakh worth of airdrop, guys. Okay, don't miss it, guys. It's very simple step. Don't miss it. First of all, I will explain once more again the topic. Okay, guys, this is a airdrop. Okay, just click on this bot airdrop. Okay, just click on the bot airdrop. This will open here. Okay, then give on start and follow these all channels. Okay, follow this channel, follow me in Twitter, Instagram, everything. Then click on done, then continue. Then finally give your Binance Smart Chain address. Okay, from Trust Wallet you give it. Then finally you will be, your referral link will be generated. Okay, you can refer how much you want. You can refer it, guys. Okay, for referrer one, $10,000 worth of Jaguar token will get. For 2 to 5 refer, 10,000. Okay, 10,000 worth of sharing, $10,000 worth of sharing. From 6 to 805 refer, get $80,000 worth of Jaguar token. Okay, sharing. Okay, this is the airdrop, guys. And finally, okay, then if you want to join in the giveaway, this is a link, guys. Okay, this is a link. Okay, just open the link. Okay, just open the link. This page will get opened. Finally, you have to share this Jaguar, like making a video. Okay, in social media you have to share the video. Okay, like YouTube or Telegram or Instagram or Twitter or Reddit, wherever you can share, you can take the link and you can post in their website. Okay, here you have to give the email and your name and where you post, in YouTube video or Instagram video or Instagram post or Twitter post or whatever you do. You just copy that link and paste it here, submit the social media post link and take a screenshot of that post and give on add file. Okay, add file, and finally you submit it. Okay, this is worth of $5 lakh. Okay, this giveaway is worth of $5 lakh, and this airdrop is worth of $5 lakh, guys. Okay, so totally $10 lakh worth of, okay, airdrop, guys. So don't miss it, guys. Okay, everybody must join in the airdrop. If you not watch this video, just go and watch this video. You will get all the details clearly, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. Everybody must join this airdrop. Okay, so guys, today we're gonna see about Jaguar Dio. Jaguar Dio is giving 5,47,000% APY they are giving, and the good news is came, guys. Jaguar Dio is gonna to launch on tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is 4th April. Jaguar Dio is gonna to launch. Okay, tomorrow is 4th April. So this Jaguar Dio is gonna to launch on 4th April, guys. Okay, just now I'll open the website. Okay, I'm opening the website, guys. This is the official website. Okay, so this is a Jaguar Dio Finance. Okay, everything is, the audit is completed and KYC is completed. This is the view. Okay, so everything's they are given here. Website, this is the Jaguar Dio Finance website, guys. Okay, you can open the Jaguar Dio Finance website. This is official page. Okay, 5,47,000% APY they are giving, auto staking and compounding protocol. Okay, so metaverse and NFTs. Okay, contract address is coming soon. Tomorrow you will get contract address. Okay, this is highly fixed APY in crypto, 5,47,498. Okay, so low risk with Jaguar Dio safeguard fund. Okay, interest paid every 15 minutes, 96 times daily, guys. Okay, so this project is expecting 225x, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. Airdrop and giveaway, you must join it. 10 lakh worth of giveaway, guys. So don't miss it. Damn sure you will get this coin. Okay, so guys, this is Jaguar project's details. You can check it out. Okay, so the project is going to launch on tomorrow, guys. So don't miss it. Buy percentage slippage is 12 and sell percentage 16, guys. Okay, so the roadmap of this March, April, everything is given here. April, May, June, July, everything is there, guys. Check it out. Okay, so this is the official website, guys. Okay, so come back. So Telegram channel, this is a Telegram channel. Okay, so this is a post yesterday they are given. Okay, Jaguar pink sale is live on April 4th 9:30 a.m, guys. Okay, GMT 9:30 a.m. Okay, so tomorrow the pink sale is gonna do live. This is a pink sale link. Okay, so this is the official pink sale link. This is audit, but KYC symbol is not there, but still I feel like this project is good worthy. Okay, so this all the details of Jaguar coins, total supply, token supply for pre-sale, tokens for liquidity, everything is given here, guys. Okay, so token, this is the, they are giving this tokens for each vesting tokens. Okay, so total team vesting release after listing days is 5 days. Okay, so every 5 days you will be getting 20%. Okay, 20%, like 25 days you will be getting 5, within 1 month you will be getting. Okay, okay, so the pre-sale start in 1 days 10 hours, guys. Okay, 10 hours is remaining, guys. Okay, guys, so tomorrow once the pre-sale starts, I'll join in the pre-sale and I'll make a video and I'll let you know, guys. Okay, so don't miss it. This coin is bigger expecting in the market, and this coin I feel like this is very genuine coin, and hope this coin have good profit for all the investors, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. This coin have huge pump. They are expecting 225x from the beginning, guys. Okay, so don't miss it. From the pre-sale you must join this airdrop. Okay, airdrop or launch or anything else, just don't forget to join the airdrop and giveaway, guys. Okay, so finally tomorrow is gonna to launch. Once I joined, I'll make a video and I'll update you guys. Okay guys, so this is an update about the Jaguar fire launch, so don't miss it, guys. Everybody must join this airdrop and giveaway and the fire launch too. Okay, tomorrow is gonna to launch. Tomorrow once it launch, I'll join and I make a video about it, guys. Okay guys, thank you so much.